Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making Jamaican style soursop juice, so let's get started. So the first step is to rinse and peel your soursop. So once the soursop is peeled, it should look like this, and you can actually eat it right away. So once the soursop is peeled, you're just going to split it open and remove the core. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Now I'm just going to place the soursop in a bowl. I'm just going to break it up just a bit. Then I'll be adding 1 cup of water. And I'm just going to squeeze together to extract the juice from the pulp. And now I'm just going to strain to separate the liquid from the pulp. And now I'm just going to return the pulp to the bowl and add 2 cups of water, and I'm just going to repeat the steps. Now that I've extracted the juice from the pulp, it's time to sweeten. And to sweeten, all you need is nutmeg and some sweetened milk. You can also use sugar and lime juice to sweeten, but I prefer my soursop juice to be of a creamier consistency, and the sweetened milk helps with that. So once it's done, it should look like this, nice and creamy. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care.